It's official. Rita Ora and Taika Waititi made their relationship Hollywood official when they cozied up for photos on their first red carpet, for the Suicide Squad premiere, on August 2nd. Rita Ora, 30, and Taika Waititi, 45, walked their first red carpet together on August 2nd. Just over 3 months after first sparking dating rumors, the singer and director confirmed that their relationship is the real deal when they attended the Suicide Squad premiere together. Taika stars in the upcoming movie, and Rita was by his side for the big premiere in Los Angeles. The two linked arms as they posed for photos on the carpet together for the first time. Rita looked fierce at the big event, wearing a white mini dress with plunging neckline and side cutouts. The side cutouts led into a completely open back, while the lower portion of the dress had a massive bow across the 30-year-old's backside. She paired the look with white, pump heels, along with her hair pulled back into a ponytail to show off the backless ensemble. Rita also rocked dangling silver earrings and glowing makeup to complete her outfit. Related gallery. Rita Ora and Taika Waititi, photos of the couple. This somewhat unlikely couple first sparked dating buzz when they posed for a cuddly photo together at the end of April. Rita posted the photo on her Instagram page and got fans buzzing about a potential romance between the two. The lovebirds seemingly met in Australia earlier this year, where she was filming The Voice and he was directing Thor: Love and Thunder. It's unclear when their relationship actually first began. However, their love story blew up publicly in May, when they were both photographed packing on the PDA with Tessa Thompson, who stars in Thor: Love and Thunder, in Australia. In July, Taika addressed the buzzed about photos for the first time. "I think, in the world of the internet, everything goes away pretty quick," he explained. "And also, is it that big a deal? No, not really. I was doing nothing wrong. It's fine." Tessa and Rita have not spoken out about the viral images at this time.